Hi, I'm Mollie Johanson from Wild Olive, and I'm here to show you Missouri Star Quilt Company's new Holly Jolly Ornaments embroidery stitch pack and the matching pearl cotton floss pack. Inside this stitch pack, you get 25 embroidery patterns for things like stars and mostly ornaments inspired by vintage style, sometimes blown glass ornaments. They are printed on a water-soluble stabilizer, which makes them really easy to use. You just peel and stick. And then you also get a set of instruction cards, and it shows you how to do the different stitches, as well as how to apply them to each of the patterns. Makes it so simple. Let me show you how I used my pattern set. So I started with a basic plain canvas stocking from Missouri Star Quilt Company. And then I added the mushroom embroidery pattern from the pattern set and added a few extras. And it's really easy to add these extras. I just drew them on with a heat sensitive pen and stitched right over them. So simple. So take a look at how this came together.
For this project, the embroidery goes on the cuff of the stocking. And so to make it easier to work, it really helps to turn the entire stocking inside out and then unfold the cuff. That way you've got a clean place to work. Peel the pattern off of the backing material and press it onto the cuff of the stocking wherever you want it. This has a little bit of room for some branches and a few extra details. Embroider through the cuff of the stocking and the pattern material. Just make sure that you're only going through one layer of the stocking cuff and not the back side of it. It's really easy to follow the instruction cards so you know exactly what stitches are going to look best where. After you finish embroidering, soak the stocking and rub away any of the pattern markings that still remain. It's easiest to do this in the water. Next, I used a pen that vanishes with heat, and I just sketched a few wavy lines to represent the branches, and I added some pine needles. I actually stitched more than what I'm drawing, and I used 2 colors of green to fill it in so that it looked more natural. After I finished the main embroidery, I ironed the back of the embroidery to remove any of those markings that might show from my pen. You may need to heat it from the front as well. The final detail I added for mine is a little face, and I just used French knots for the eyes and a little scallop stitch for the mouth. I think it just looks so cute this way. It's my favorite extra embellishment to add. Now you can just hang your stocking with care by the fireplace and you're ready for Christmas in July.
Whether you're making a stocking, a quilt, anything you could possibly embroider, I hope that your Christmas in July projects are made more fun by these new embroidery patterns from Missouri Star Quilt Company.